7, room 7297. Let's go ahead in and we'll take you around and see what it looks like. Alright, so typical room. You have the bathroom. We're not going to go in there. Everyone goes in there. Closets. Everyone goes in the closets, but as you can see, they give you plenty of hangers. There's life jackets in the other one. There's a safe in the last one as well. Hangers, yada yada. Here we have the little area, a couple little shelves, phone, hair dryer, drawers. We also have a mini fridge in this room.
Online, we couldn't find anything that said that this room had a refrigerator, but we do have a fridge, so
we
that's
do
good.
Mini fridge. We've already put some water. We also ordered a bottle, a 12-pack of water. TV. Here is the bed view. Tons of storage, tons of little shelves, which we didn't have in the Magic, which was pretty good. Again, more storage area. And then this opens up to the balcony. As you can see, there is the Disney Dream across the way. We are still in Port Canaveral. And then let's go on out to the balcony. Here you go. Alright. Welcome to Port Canaveral. We're on deck 7.
This is the height.
This is about the height from the water. Some people down below. There's the back view. To the front, you can kind of see the bridge right out there. So the balcony comes with 2 chairs, also comes with a little side table that you could use. These chairs do recline just a little bit. I don't know if anyone ever talks about this, but the sun comes out, you can recline these a little bit. And I like to lay out on here because it's really quiet. It's nice. Overall, the balcony is just your normal size balcony. Back into the room. It's a nice little cozy room. It's where we'll be for the next 8 days, so we're excited. We're on the Sunshine here, room 7297, deck 7. We are aft and starboard, so and here's room service menu here. So you just pop this on the door, label what you want, what time you want it delivered, how many people are eating, all that good stuff, and they bring it to you first thing in the morning. It's nice to have a little breakfast in bed or out on the balcony. Our favorite is a bagel with some cream cheese and coffee and juice. Sit out on the balcony, enjoy, or breakfast in bed. It's not something we get to do often, so it's really nice to do it when you're on vacation.